Is the Vivo IQ00 Z5 5G also not as strong as the IQ00 Z3? That's what we're going to find out in the video, since the Z3 had terribly failed due to a not so strong build quality. Quite an attractive looking box with a zigzag design cover. Inside, the free soft case is decent. Not the best production we have seen at the sides, but just about okay. The IQ00 Z5 itself is good looking. The Arctic Dawn 8 plus 128GB base variant we have here looks quite attractive and premium. The matte back does not attract much fingerprints. Though what is worrisome at this stage is the not so strong feel and the bend degree during the trial bend, bringing back some bad memories of the Z3. Let's hope the build quality does not fail like the IQ00 Z3. BBK devices almost always comes with a pre-applied plastic protection, good against scratches, but the glass protection itself usually doesn't have oleophobic coating and is very scratch prone. The Z3, if you remember, had also failed the blade in the scratch test. The IQ00 Z5 has Panda Glass protection, and frankly, we are not confident about the scratch resistant capabilities, since the supposed Corning glass also tends to fail on many budget BBK devices. On the fingers, the Panda Glass protection here again doesn't seem to have any degree of oleophobic coating as usual, a consistent tactics always used on BBK devices to decrease cost of production. We are hoping that the tempered glass protection on the Z5 does not again follow the usual route of scratch failure against the blade, as opposed to the 100% success rate of higher quality Corning glass protection on other devices. Against all odds, the loud scratching noise, supposed lack of oleophobic coating, and the fact that the Z3 failed the blade, the IQ00 Z5 does manage to pass a scratch test. For a change, let's show you the build quality bend test right now instead of at the end. Has IQ00 improved the soft flexing build quality and learned from the recent mistakes they made on the poorly built Z3 design just under 6 months back? A very nervous experience on the first display side bend. Extreme high levels of bend degree, same as the Z3. It manages to lock out with an obvious curve on the body. Again, high amounts of flex from the backside pressure and a bit of cracking noise, seemingly due to the separation of the back from the camera unit. There is a definite improvement in the build quality of the IQ00 Z5 as compared to the much weakly built, soft flexing design of the IQ00 Z3. But also, there is definite room for improvement left in the build quality department for the IQ00 design team. There is no official IP certified INVIS rating on the Vivo IQ00 Z5 5G. Like for example, IP53 present on many mid-range Xiaomi, Poco and Redmi devices, or IP67 rating on some Samsung A series mid-ranges like the A52 and A72 series devices. It also isn't IP68 water resistant as on flagships, so you need to be extra careful of dangerous wrong information which may lead you to falsely believe that it can be submerged underwater without damage like an IP68 or 67 device. Also the fact that it means heavy repair charges at the service center since liquid damage isn't covered under warranty. As feared earlier, and as you can see, the absence of oleophobic coating is proved as the water tends to stick to the surface as a pool instead of forming drops. The good news as of now is that the Z5 hasn't yet faced any distortion of audio and low loudness levels like the Z3, due to which it wasn't able to cross the light splashing round to heavy drenching. Also the fact that the Z5 5G has a red rubberized sealant should help a great deal in fighting off liquid damage to a huge degree. This round was responsible for the death and doom of devices like the Redmi Note 8 and 9 due to permanent damage of the motherboard. Thankfully, the Z5 seems to be sailing through the early rounds without signs of initial liquid damage like distorted low audio issues. Other temporary issues that you may face against abuse of water can be camera lens fogging, screen flicker, temporary black screens, or the infamous headphone icon issue. Or a device may suffer from serious and irreversible display damage from heavy water abuse, whereby water seeps inside the internal parts through the ports due to the complete absence of water resistance on a device. Besides the fact that the IQ00Z5 5G behaved exactly as an IP53 device, successfully fighting off liquid abuse like a champ, it did suffer from some annoying headphone icon issue, which thankfully turned out to be harmless and lasted for more than 2 days. Will the 193 grams IQ00Z5 survive the run of bad luck this season with lots of drop test fails, display damage and glass shatter? First drop from pocket height, backside and camera unit facing down.
It's Steve Lyon.
No damages, shatter or issues whatsoever from both pocket height drops. Next, high drops from 4 angles, topside edge facing down. It's an absolute relief that the Vivo IQ00Z5 5G did not suffer costly glass shatters or permanent display damages like other recently tested devices and passes the drop tests, though they should definitely improve upon the structural build quality for its next release.